everybody, this is Rashi Rajput. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I was able to clear my CA foundation in the first attempt without even paying a single penny. So let's get started with the video. If I talk about the account, so that I have done from CA Hardik Machanda sir. He explains each and every concept in detail and उसकी वजह से हमें easily हम उस चीज़ को grasp कर सकते हैं and ultimately we would be able to retain the things for a longer period of time. So for the accountancy I have opted CA Hardik Machanda sir and I have completed my whole of the account syllabus from there. Now if I talk about the second subject, that is law, that I have done from CA Indresh Gandhi sir and CA Swati Agarwal ma'am. Both faculties are good in their own way. Indresh Gandhi sir and Swati Agarwal ma'am किसी भी प्रोविज़न को एक्सप्लेन करने से पहले एग्जाम्पल को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं सो दैट वी गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग टुवर्ड्स इट. इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग देन अल्टीमेटली द प्रोविजन इज गोइंग टू बी सिंपल फॉर अस. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. मीन्स आई हैव डन सम ऑफ द कॉन्टेंट फ्रॉम CA Indresh Gandhi sir and I have done some of the content from CA Swati ma'am. So basically I have opted for both of them. Both the faculties are good, so you can choose any of them. Now if I talk about the third subject, that is quantitative aptitude, I have done from Pranit Popat sir. वो हर एक चीज़ का उनका ये चीज़ है कि वट एवर द फॉर्मूला ही इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, उसके बाद वो उस फॉर्मूला से रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चंस करवाते हैं इन सीरीज़ एंड द नोट्स ही प्रोवाइड्स आर वेरी मच इफेक्टिव. मीन्स एट द टाइम ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन यू वुड बी एबल टू डू अ बेटर रिविजन फ्रॉम देम, क्योंकि जो भी चीज़ है बिल्कुल एक प्रॉपरली अरेंज्ड है, प्रॉपरली फॉर्मेट में है एंड द वे ही एक्सप्लेन्स द थिंग्स वो सुपर्ब है. So that is why I would recommend that you should go for the quantitative aptitude with Pranit sir. Now the last subject, that is economics, I have done from Monish Vora sir. उनका मैंने MCQ booklet जो है वो रेफ़र किया था for the preparation of the MCQs. His booklet includes all the questions that are from the RTPs, MTPs and the PYQs. So that is why for the effective preparation you can buy his booklet. And yes, I have completed all of my economics from there only. I will provide the link of all the playlists in the description. I hope so that you have find this video helpful. So do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.